MAL is more concentrating on the real application, the real machining. And if sometimes those two worlds meet, there's a little gap. And MAL tries to close that gap, obviously. So, Yusuf, can you say how MAL wants to close the gap that theoretical toolpath leaves?
In traditional machining operations, experienced process planners, NC part programmers, they generate NC part program. Then they try it on the machine. If it doesn't work, they go back, they try something else. So they have this trial and error cycle. We develop algorithms which can simulate physical machining operation within the CAM environment. This way, you can see the problems, such as big force, big torque, vibrations, and so on, can be seen ahead of time, and the NC part program can be optimized before you try it on the physical machine. So the objective is try only once, make sure it's most optimal and productive, and don't scrap the part. There are two steps in optimizing machining operations. One, select speed, feed, depth of cut, give it to CAM engineer to generate good NC part program which doesn't cause problems on the machine. The second step is now virtually cut the part in the CAM system, not geometrically but physically as well. Predict force, torque, power, chip thickness, vibrations, overloading the machine, all of them, and optimize the feed speed along the toolpath automatically. This way, in 2 steps, you obtain the most optimal NC part program without scrapping the part, without damaging the machine and cutting tool. So we develop a software called AppsPro Kernel. This is a machining kernel which can be integrated to any CAM software. For example, we were the first in the world to integrate physics-based machining process simulation optimization program into Siemens NX. Now we are planning to do the same thing into many CAM systems with ModuleWorks. We also start to develop Machining Wizard in partnership with ModuleWorks. Machining Wizard will help the CAM kernel to automatically select and plan depth of cut, feed, and speed along the toolpath. So toolpath generation will have some physics knowledge as well. So those are the plans we have with ModuleWorks.